Look at my fuzzy socks. It's fuzzy sock season, guys. Why am I sitting like this? I feel like that's improper. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today I have a video, obviously, but today I have a haul, but not from Forever 21 or Brandy Melville like you would expect from me, or even a thrift haul, but today's video is a haul from Walmart. So over the years I've realized there's a lot of hate for Walmart. Like, for some reason, just a lot of people, like my friends, just like people in general, are like, Walmart sucks, Target's up here, and like, no trash on Target or anything, but I think Walmart is a great place and they have some really good finds. And so today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the cool things that I found there, because they have some really good stuff, let me just say, and you will see in this haul. Mainly I'm talking about clothes right now, but they also have other good stuff. It's just like, for some reason, it's just cheaper than Target. Once again, no offense on Target. I still love Target. It's still my second home. I still go there probably like 3 days a week or something for no reason, but yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you some cool stuff that I found at Walmart, because the other day I was bored, so I went to Walmart. As you guys can see by my videos, when I get bored, I tend to shop a little. So yeah, I actually didn't get too much stuff there, plus everything's really cheap there, so I didn't spend too much money. Go me. But yeah, I'm still going to show you guys what I got. First off, something kind of fun but not really fun at all is this sports bra. It was only like $8, but I just thought it looked pretty cool. It reminds me of like a Gymshark one or something, and it's just like, it's good quality and it's really comfy, and I also like the color, and I just needed a sports bra because I had all these really janksy ones, and I was like, I need to like up myself, you know, like do a little better, you know, maybe it will make me work out more. That's what I was thinking. That was kind of boring because it's just a sports bra, but whatever. Then I just got this plain long sleeve shirt, and this was like $5, which pretty awesome. I just really like the color, and I think it'll look really good tucked into some mom jeans or something like that. I don't know. That's what this looks like, and I just figured I'd wear it with a bralette, and it would be great because I've been needing some, what's it called, long sleeve shirts, because it's freaking cold. And yeah, should I make this a try? I'll try this stuff on just because I know everybody loves the try on. I also got this baby lips. Also, did you guys know baby lips were discontinued? Because I did not know that, and I was freaking devastated because these are kind of my childhood. These and EOS lip balms, or EOS or whatever. I don't know. Is it EOS? Because I'm pretty sure it's not EOS. Whatever. But to be honest, the normal baby lips, not that good, or like, at least they don't look good on me because they're like tinted and stuff. But I really like the Dr. Rescue ones because they're like medicated, and I love the smell of this stuff. It's like, I'll just go around smelling it. It smells so good. And yeah, so they discontinued all of them except for Coral Crave. They don't sell this at Target, but they had it at Walmart. So I was like, yeet, and I bought this. And yeah, so my lips are going to be smelling all medicated and great. Excited for that. Okay, alright. And then I got these two tank tops, which were on clearance, and they were a super good deal. So I got one in navy and one in black. And they're like almost halter tops, but I don't know. You'll see the neckline when I try it on, but I figured it would look really good with a bralette. And I've been looking for tank tops like this, or like the fit like this, and I haven't been able to find them, but I found it at Walmart, so that was pretty cool. And the other cool thing is they're on clearance for $3, which is already cheap, but then when I scanned them, they were only $1. That's literally cheaper than the thrift store, and they're new. And so, yeah, pretty cool. And they're so soft. I have no clue what material this is, but it's like the softest thing ever. Yeah. So it's the brand Nobu. I feel like it's Nobu. Nobu sounds weird, but it stands for no boundaries. Pretty inspiring if you ask me. So this navy one I got in a size extra small. I'll see it, try it on. And then this black one I got in a size small because they didn't have an extra small. But you know, it's Gucci, it's fine. but I'm really excited to wear these, to layer them. I figured I'd just wear it with a bralette underneath this and then like a flannel or a cardigan and I'll be set, like honestly, and tucked into some mom jeans or something. I'm set, guys. Like, it's gonna be great. Okay, so now I'm realizing I really didn't buy that much stuff. So this video is kind of boring, but I figured you guys probably clicked on the video because of the thing in the thumbnail, which like kind of like the purpose of this entire video, because I know everybody, at least last winter, but we're getting into winter season, everyone and their mom was freaking obsessed with Sherpas. Like, I got this Sherpa and I put it in my Black Friday haul. Everyone was obsessed with it and they were all like,
Melanie, like, where'd you get that?
And I was like, but then like nobody else could find it, so I figured I would help y'all out, because guess what I found at Walmart? You already know because it was in the thumbnail, but I got a freaking Sherpa. Like, I know what you're thinking,
Melanie, you already have like 4 Sherpas. Okay, and?
So this one's different, okay? This one has a blue undertone. They also had it in gray and green and red, and they literally, Walmart, I tell you, they are freaking stocked with the Sherpas. Like, they know the trend and they're freaking so affordable. So while Nordstrom has this like $50, $100, whatever Sherpa, I got this one at Walmart in the kids section for $12.
What?
$12? That's like a bowl of poke or like 2 bubble teas. Pretty cool stuff. And this one is like, it's fuzzy inside. So this one's kind of like thinner, but it's really fuzzy. My other Sherpa is really heavy and like thick. So I figured, like, you know, they're different, okay? Like, I can have them both, okay? It's fine. I'm actually gonna change into it now. Oh my gosh, I didn't unzip it. Wow, wasn't that such a cool switcheroony? Oh, it's so cozy, guys. You don't understand. Like, if you saw me right now, you would just start hugging me because it's so warm. Plus, my parents don't turn on the heating in my house and I'm kind of dying and freezing, hence the fuzzy socks. So now I'm all fuzzy and warm and I'll be able to sleep at night and I won't be dying. So that's pretty cool. I also took some pictures because you know, I just wanted to help you guys out, to show you all the different Sherpa options at Walmart. I almost called it Brandy Melville because I'm stupid. But basically, this was in the kids section, so they had boys Sherpas, girls Sherpas, and they also had women's Sherpas. The women's ones were more expensive. Actually, they had these ones, and then they also had these ones. These ones were like $20, and they were just like thicker, so it was still fuzzy, but it wasn't fuzzy on the inside, but it was like thicker, if you get what I'm saying. So these ones were like $20. They're just like the thicker version. And then they had these ones, which were like a zip up with a hood, which I also thought were really cute, but I honestly, I can't, like, I have too many, like, I just can't do it anymore. But yeah, they had those ones in like cool colors and then like blue and black and camo and skulls. Crazy. But yeah, I think this one was a great deal. Super cute, and this is a size extra large and it goes to extra large, and this is like oversized and really big on me, so this could probably fit like a women's like medium or large. So as you can tell, I just talked about Sherpas for like a solid 4 minutes. Basically the purpose of this whole video was to talk about Sherpas and like how much I love them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you go to Walmart and pick up a Sherpa so that we can all freaking twin, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully less people hate Walmart after watching this video, because honestly, I love Walmart. It's my third home after my house and Target. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and hope that this video was somewhat entertaining, even though I literally bought like 3 items. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces. Bye.
I still wanna be your favorite boy.